What's up guys, it's Timmy, and today I'm going to show you guys exactly what it takes to clear snow off my property and off my cabin here in Alaska. And if you can't tell, we got a whole bunch of it. See that car buried right there? We had 3 snowstorms in a row, 1.5 feet of snow a week ago, 1.5 feet a couple days ago, and then another foot last night. And we've got to get the snow off the property before it settles in and gets impossible to clean, so let's do it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna shovel the porch off, shovel the stairs off, and then take it from there. First bit is done there, so now comes the more interesting part. We gotta start clearing snow away from the side of the cabin. That way we can hit it with a 4-wheeler, push it out of the way. So let's do that. I'm gonna be in a t-shirt in no time. Anyhow, on a snowblower, unfortunately, that auger is super bent up from a rock, so I gotta repair that. It's really hard to find a blade for it. It's from the late 1980s. So still searching for one. We're gonna finish getting the snow out away from the base, then we'll get the wheeler out and get to business. Okay, next up, gotta get the vehicles clear of snow. Because what you don't want to do is plow everything out and then sweep the snow off your vehicles back onto where you just plowed. For the roof of the truck camper and the cabin, I have this big snow rake right here, and this gets it off of really high places that I can't reach. Just broke my scraper. Ah. These are always cheap. I don't know why. Now that we get the vehicles cleared off of snow, we're gonna move them out into the street. That way I can just rally this whole bit of property with the 4-wheeler and the snowplow. See if the $600 car will start here. Actually, while my little Toyota Corolla is warming up, let's go ahead and warm up the 4-wheeler. Probably be wise. That way the engine's nice and warmed up for plowing. What's crazy is I've had this 4-wheeler since 2007. I bought it brand new, and it has started every single time. Old reliable. Except for once when the battery is dead. I'll let this front end loader kind of clear the street, and then I'm gonna pull my truck out there. All right, here comes the fun part. Anyhow, I'm gonna keep this going. It takes me about somewhere around 2 hours to clear all this property, just because it's complicated and I'm gonna clear all these little front areas out, side areas and stuff. So I'm gonna keep at it, and we'll see you guys in a little bit here. As you guys can see, we're done for the day. Four-wheeler's back up. Everything is all plowed out. A lot of land to clear out. So here's everything we just cleared out. Pretty good bit. And I went ahead and hit the neighbor's driveway, you know, just to be nice. Anyhow, that's another day up in AK. Anytime it snows, that's what I'm doing. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like button's down there if you like this one, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this stuff. Peace, y'all.